Hey Mum. So you might have seen, or you might see later, Dad's video letter. I figured I'd do yours as well too, but give you a little bit of a different view. I also realised I was hunching in Dad's video. I think just from the workout, it was just a bit heavy, so I was a bit hurt. Anyway, so I'm trying not to hunch in this particular video. So yeah, this is me cooking. This is what I get up to in the evenings after gym. It's my third session. I'll give you a tour of the gym at some point. I sent Dad a video of the gym, but I'll send you one as well. I've got a few more weights recently, so it looks like a gym. And yeah, we did some pull-ups today. Well, a ton of pull-ups. And I used the forklift, so I had an old broom, like a warehouse broom, one of those big brooms, so I unscrewed it and I hooked that onto the forks of the forklift, and I used that to do my thing. It's good fun. It's good fun. I'm enjoying it. Dad thought that maybe it'd be useful for him to get a remote trainer. It's certainly helping me. I don't know if my guy is going to be right for Dad. You still there? Oh, sorry. The phone went funny. I don't know if my trainer is going to be right for Dad, but I'll certainly talk to him, to Octavian, and he's because Octavian is a power lifter. He lifts 300 kilos with his pinky. I'm not sure if he's into recovering gentlemen, convalescing gentlemen that have just gone through major surgery. But I'll ask. But otherwise, I'm sure we'll find somebody. I reckon there's so many trainers out there that must be absolutely desperate. Anyway, so this is me. I'm cooking away. It's going to take me a while. The mushrooms are going to take forever. I mean, I think I'm going to basically get through, just with the mushrooms, I'm going to get through 2/3 of a bottle, I think. And that's not drinking it. I am going to sip on it, of course, but I think most of it is going to go to the mushrooms. They haven't even gone in yet, but I've got steak later, so that's not going to take long to cook. Tomorrow I think I'm doing chicken. That'll take a while, but it's Friday tomorrow, so I think I've got an easier date on Saturday. Anyway, lots of love. Take care of yourself. I'll upload this tomorrow so that you've got a fresh video for the day. And take care of yourself. I love you lots. Thank you for everything you do for Dad. And if you speak to Serena, say hi. All right. Love you, Mum. Take care.